Good morning, guys. It's 8 to the what's up, you guys? It's Goldux Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything professional, anything new, anything exciting? Well, wait, now, you guys, I'm just heading to the church again today for men's breakfast. Yes, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna have for men's breakfast. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are going to get some cooking those things. So that's what we are doing. So talk to you guys then. So right now, you guys, we have a campfire, you guys, and then we are playing Catan. Or Catan. I don't know.
JK, guys. Do you want to pass me that blanket over there?
You're cold?
Yeah, I could put like actual pants on.
You could.
Nah.
Nah?
Nope.
Why not?
Why? Should I?
We should get an expansion pack sometime.
We should.
But it's expensive. Wait till a bit. So that's what we're doing. Having campfire, you guys. And playing Catan. Guys, so right now, you guys, Rachel.
I'm cooking a marshmallow.
And she's running it! Ah!
Not yet.
Not yet. Go a little bit closer, a little bit closer.
Don't try to make me burn it.
A little bit closer.
Oh.
Nope.
I don't even see what I'm doing.
You can't see what you're doing. Good job. But we got the small kit.
Oh, we're almost there.
We got the small kits. Which was actually not that bad. Well, what you got? So we got crackers. And then we got some chocolate.
I'm going to open the regular Hershey's right now.
Which one?
The regular one.
This one?
The original.
The original one?
Oh, it's on fire! Blow it!
You blow it!
Oh,
blow it.
Shoot!
Be careful with your face.
You be careful with your face, you pickle.
I'm a pickle.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing.
Now, here, guys. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh, we have Reese's Pieces.
It's very nice. I'm going to take it.
You're not going to just eat it.
I'm eating it. This Reese's Pieces is awesome.
Okay, well, you can have it in a s'more.
No. No.
Well, take a picture of my s'more once it's done.
Say that again?
He's making fun of me.
Yes. Because she takes the coating off.
Shut up.
And then she cooks
burn
it.
No,
Yeah,
listen. Okay, I'll show you guys how to do this.
Okay.
I had to catch it on fire first. This is more harder than you think.
Oh, boy.
I'm better at like doing it accidentally than on purpose.
You sure?
And Gareth is gonna blow so I don't burn his face off. Hey, blow.
And then...
Hold on, let me make sure that it's evenly on fire. Hold on.
Evenly.
You know what? That's
Woo.
fine.
And then she peels the thing off.
Look, you peel the first layer. It's not that weird, guys.
It's so weird. And then she puts it back in the file. And then she puts it again.
Yeah. Blow. Okay.
And then she peels it off
it's
again.
not very goodly burned.
Goodly?
Shut up. He's making fun of me.
The goodly burn. I'm making fun of you because it's kind of weird. Because all girls have layers.
You're a layer.
I know I am a layer. Now, you guys, we are watching the soccer with the brand new sheets. Yeah. So we got new sheets.
Gonna pass out.
Now Rachel's gonna pass out.
Probably.
I don't know. We might not. So that's what we're gonna be doing.
I'm hype on freaking marshmallows.
So talk to you guys then. Yep, she's hype on marshmallows. Okay, in today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.